Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 6 and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you will see the health page. Now tap on devices. Actually, we need to close the ad first, then tap on devices. Select our HUAWEI Watch GT 6. And here, under our watch, you will probably see this watch faces category. It's possible you're missing it, and if you are, the only thing I can think about to fix this is to reinstall the application and select a different service region when you reinstall the application, because I believe some of the regions don't support all of the features of the application. For example, I'm pretty sure United States doesn't support watch faces, but I might be wrong. So if you don't see the watch faces category, try to reinstall the application and, for example, select United Kingdom, because I'm using it and it's working fine. And once you see the watch faces, tap on more. And here you will see the basically watch faces store. As you can see, a lot of them are paid, so you need to pay for them. I'm just gonna scroll through the categories, find free. And here we have a free category and we can browse free watch faces. So find something you like, tap on it, and once you tap on the watch face, you can tap on install to download and install it. And after it's done installing, it will be applied on your watch. And you can, I'm not sure how many you can install, but if you go to my faces, the watch face will appear right here on the list of watch faces installed on your watch, and you can tap on manage to see the list. And the ones that are with the X button, you can uninstall basically. So if you run out of the space for the watch faces, you can always remove some by tapping on X and tapping on OK, and then you can install different ones. Okay, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.